my foot is getting up. Mom, can you put my clothes on?
Yes, I can. Just.
Okay, put my clothes on, please. No!
Yeah,
No!
I have to. Quiet. It's too noisy here. I have to. I'm sorry. It's your clothes.
Hey, I know I wear sushi thing, but don't gotta be mean about it. Okay. Mom, you put it on wrong.
No.
It's supposed to be the other side.
All right. Yeah. Sorry, Bentley.
So rude today. Don't get any respect from grown up.
Why are you so angry? I always like.
Hey! I don't like you.
Stop being such a crybaby.
I'm trying to put my baby clothes on and you're being mean about it.
Yeah, you don't even know how to put your clothes on.
Because you're being mean, I'm just a baby.
Okay, there. Your baby clothes are on.
Okay, Mom, let me sit up. Don't hold me. I want to sit up. Wait, zoom in at me, Mom. Look how pretty I am. Zoom in. Am I pretty?
Yeah, you're very pretty.
Mommy, I want to go somewhere. Come here. I made a science project. Here.
Oh, wow. Fancy.
I made it all by myself. No questions about it. Okay, you can ask questions now.
Who wrote this?
My sushi clothes.
What the heck?
That's what my sushi clothes.
Sorry, but I actually wrote it.
I know.
Get back up your bed.
Now.
Now. Potato.
Mom. What? Do you want my? I want to talk to the people. Why
are you gonna show your science project to everybody on YouTube now?
You just told me to get back on my bed. Look, Mom. Look at my
Share
sushi.
it on your bed.
Fine. Okay. So everybody, I'm giving you a head start about my science project. It's actually not out yet. This is just my science thing. But okay. So first, we're gonna learn about how to. It's called wobble ramps. My questions are, how do you swallow a sandwich make the bubble flow? What if we didn't and why? Could there be more than one cup of bubble? Okay, now we're gonna go in history and research. This is Edward Quaver Walker had an idea for bubble ramps in 1960.
Okay, you're done. Okay.
Mommy! 1963. After watching an egg timer, a classic wobble ramp contains a standard ice condensation.
Okay, bye guys. Peace out.